Attention, everyone, are you tired of dealing with that unsightly, embarrassing toenail fungus? Well, get ready, because today, we're going to dive deep into the ultimate guide to getting rid of toenail fungus for good. Toenail fungus is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be a real nuisance, causing discoloration, thickening, and even crumbling of the nails. But don't worry, my friends, because we're here to help you take back control of your feet and say goodbye to fungus once and for all. In this video, we'll explore the causes of toenail fungus, the various treatment options available, and proven strategies to prevent it from coming back. Whether you're dealing with a mild case or a stubborn infection, you're going to walk away from this video feeling empowered and ready to tackle that toenail fungus head-on. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about getting rid of toenail fungus for good. Let's dive in. Toenail fungus, also known as onychomycosis, is a common condition that affects the toenails. It's caused by a group of fungi called dermatophytes, which thrive in warm, moist environments. These fungi can infect the nail bed, leading to discoloration, thickening, and even crumbling of the nail. One of the primary reasons toenail fungus is so prevalent is that it's highly contagious. The fungi can be easily spread through direct contact with infected surfaces, such as shower floors, locker rooms, or communal areas. People with weakened immune systems, diabetes, or poor circulation are also at a higher risk of developing toenail fungus. Symptoms of toenail fungus can vary, but they often include yellow, brown, or white discoloration of the nail, thickening of the nail, brittleness or crumbling of the nail, and a distorted nail shape. In severe cases, the nail may even separate from the nail bed, causing pain and discomfort. Diagnosing toenail fungus is typically done through a visual inspection by a healthcare professional, and in some cases, a sample of the nail may be taken for further testing. Early diagnosis is crucial, as the longer the fungus is left untreated, the more difficult it can be to get rid of. When it comes to treating toenail fungus, there are several options available, including topical antifungal medications, oral antifungal medications, and laser therapy. Topical treatments, such as lacquers or creams, are often the first line of defense, as they can be applied directly to the affected nail. Oral antifungal medications, on the other hand, work systemically to fight the infection from the inside out. Laser therapy is a relatively new treatment option for toenail fungus. This procedure uses targeted light energy to kill the fungus and promote healthy nail growth. Laser therapy is often considered for more severe or stubborn cases of toenail fungus, as it can be highly effective in eliminating the infection. In addition to medical treatments, there are also several home remedies and preventive measures you can take to get rid of toenail fungus and prevent it from coming back. These include keeping your feet clean and dry, wearing breathable shoes and socks, and avoiding walking barefoot in public areas. One of the most effective home remedies for toenail fungus is the use of essential oils, such as tea tree oil or oregano oil. These natural antifungal agents can be applied topically to the affected nail, helping to fight the infection and promote healthy nail growth. Another home remedy that has gained popularity in recent years is the use of baking soda. Baking soda has natural antifungal properties and can be used to create a foot soak or paste that can be applied to the affected nails. Maintaining good foot hygiene is also crucial in the fight against toenail fungus. This includes regularly trimming and filing your nails, wearing clean, dry socks, and avoiding sharing personal items like towels or nail clippers with others. If you're struggling with persistent toenail fungus, it's important to be patient and persistent with your treatment. Toenail fungus can be a stubborn infection, and it may take several months or even a year to fully eliminate the fungus and achieve clear, healthy nails. Throughout the treatment process, it's important to be vigilant and monitor your progress. If you don't see any improvement or the infection worsens, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for further guidance and potential adjustments to your treatment plan. Remember, getting rid of toenail fungus is a journey, but with the right approach and a bit of persistence, you can absolutely achieve the clear, healthy nails you deserve. So, let's get started on your journey to a fungus-free future. There you have it, folks. The complete guide to getting rid of toenail fungus. From understanding the causes and symptoms to exploring the various treatment options, we've covered it all. Remember, toenail fungus is a common problem, but it's one that can be effectively treated and managed. By following the strategies we discussed today, you can take back control of your feet and say goodbye to that unsightly, embarrassing fungus for good. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to healthy, fungus-free nails today. Implement the preventive measures, try out the home remedies, and don't hesitate to seek professional medical treatment if needed. With the right approach, you can conquer that toenail fungus and regain your confidence. Thank you all for joining me on this informative adventure. Until next time, stay fungus-free and keep those feet happy and healthy.